Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Elgato Wave Link for better audio mixing workflow, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, download the Elgato Wave Link software from the official Elgato website. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. After installation, launch the Elgato Wave Link application. You will see a clean interface designed for efficient audio mixing. First, connect your audio sources to your computer. This may include microphones, game audio, and music sources. In the Wave Link software, you will see input channels on the left. Select your microphone as the primary input channel. Adjust the input levels to ensure clear sound without clipping. Now, look at the output channels on the right. Assign each output channel to different audio destinations. For example, you can send game audio to one channel and your microphone to another. Next, set up your audio mixing preferences in the software. Use the sliders to control the volume levels of each channel. You can also mute or solo channels as needed during your session. To enhance your audio, explore the effects available within the software. This includes compression, equalization, and gain adjustments. Ensure your audio is balanced for optimal output. Once set up, test your audio levels to confirm everything sounds good. If necessary, make adjustments to the mix for a polished final result. Finally, save your configuration in Wave Link for future use. Your Elgato Wave Link is now set up for efficient audio mixing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.